घणी भी वाट न तेवारी आदा लक लतीफ चे यज्ञा पर सुजे बारी ओ मंजिल जी मारी वो तू कादर साई के.
Okay guys, so we are off from work and the time is 4:33. Tomorrow my mummy and Abu are coming. It was what you call the employee appreciation day. So Sanjay got us cake. It was super yum, so we had that with black coffee. And now we are super hungry. And I've also got my nails done. And that's Sanjay. We would live in that building when first time we moved to Windsor. So we are heading to have biryani. Then we are gonna go home and get to the preparations. And I'll see you later. Good morning guys. And the time is almost 5 o'clock. As usual, we went to sleep around you can say 7 p.m. after we came back from work. We came back from work around 5 o'clock, but then we did cleaning and everything, and this is the situation. Our Tamkuri did a great job. I'm going to make amburi chutney and preparing. It is still dark, as you can see, and the time is 6:25, and it's a beautiful morning. Waking up early in the morning, it's super nice. It makes you feel super nice. So anyways, my gajar ka halwa is in the process, and it's getting brighter. It's a beautiful morning, and Sanjay is helping me in peeling off garlic. He's making us breakfast, and this is how the day looks, and the time is 10 to 7. We are going to have toasted bread with peanut butter, and let me show you my outfits. I'm not too sure what to wear, so let me show you. So I took out 3 outfits. This one, and they all are from Junaid Jamshed. I'm gonna wear this one probably. These have the main dishes, so we are going to clean up everything. Okay guys, so we are ready now. The time is 11:45 and the train is arriving at what time is it?
12:09.
12:09. So let's go. And this is my outfit. What did you? Guys, the train is here. So we received my mummy and Abu. That's my Abu. And now we are heading home. And the time is 12:09. The train was late for 1 hour because they were having some sort of maintenance work. So anyways, let's go home and I'll see you there. Mommy. Coffee for all of us, and we are going to enjoy coffee, black coffee with gajar ka halwa. Okay.
इनमें ये भी देना होगा
चलो
पॉट्स
ओ अच्छा
अल्लाह बिचरी कान दियो आजल बारो तो
Thank you. And my mummy got me this methi laddu. Wow, एक स्वाद लगा पड़ा. Thank you, mummy. Now we are going to enjoy our coffee with gajar ka halwa. Mu already 1 minute garam kar chale ho. Jam garam kiya. And we are going to enjoy this later. So yeah, this is our gajar ka halwa.
आजल बारो तो अजन मुखे याद पियो
Guys, so my mummy got me these. This is silver jewelry. These are anklets. This is how it looks. जो सोनी लगे भी यार
का घणी
and this is my silver jewelry and then this is another collection. This is here.
आदा लक लतीफ जाय तुझे बारी ओ मंजिल जे मारी वो तू कादर साई के
Look at this weather, guys. It's beautiful. My mummy and Abu are taking nap. My mummy and Abu are taking nap, and I and Sanjay are also going to take a small nap because we woke up at 4:30 in the morning. We're not sleepy, but since mummy and Abu are sleeping, so we thought we should also take some nap. So let's go. Okay guys, so the time is 7:30 and my mummy and Abu are still sleeping. We took a nap. That was a power nap. Sanjay. Now we're gonna make tea for all of us, and probably I'm gonna wake my mummy and Abu up because they slept for 2 hours. So yeah. And Sanjay is making chai. Dum wali chai. This is what we call what? Dum wali chai. निंदाई ताके मम्मी की निंदाई
मुझे ख्याल में अच्छी हुई शायद
अच्छा My mummy is in the bathroom.
आने के साथ गालाएंगे
ना वाकई मम्मी इज लाइवली आऊं सोचा हूं कितने भैया बातें भैया ये वीडियो वाले
वही मुझे
अल्लाह खंडक तेरे पुनले
बाप वाला सब कुछ भी तेरे छोड़ सार कि तू वही ही भूत है
मैं साल झालो
सार्थ को नहीं Okay guys, so we are going on the walk. That's my mommy. That's Sanjay and Abu. We thought we should come out because the weather is beautiful. And now I'm making chili curry with Sanjay.
ये घणे बजे पूछो करे
Te fare pukso yare betani, I think. I am making chili curry because my Abu wanted to have it. This is my Abu's formation. Thank you. And the time is 8:20.
यो कम भगवान
Kero kam?
मोचे कड़ी वाला
हाँ. यार बारे बारे ऐसा ऐसा चाहिए.
बस
में जोग कमाया जी पग बिना पंथ मेड़ बिना निरका बिना दिव्या गुण गाया
Mommy and Abu are leaving now. We are here at VRL station.
कुछ आया रे साधु भाई ये समय जोग कमाया मरण जन्म भाव नहीं है तिनको मरण जन्म भाव नहीं है तिनको नहीं को धूप नहीं छाया रे साधु भाई ये सायण घर धाया अचंदर नाथ गुरु पूरा मिलिया बिन बिन करी समझा